Hey guys, welcome to your channel. This video you will learn on how you can link your PayPal account to Facebook. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Facebook account. That's right. And then after that you just have to click on your profile right here at the top right of your screen if you are using your laptop. But if you're using your phone, then you just have to, follow the same process. To tap on your account. After that, tap on the settings and privacy. And then you have here your settings, so tap on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then at the left side, you just have to scroll down and look for the payment options. So here we have this payment, so tap on the ads payment. That's right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, as you can see, you just have to simply add a payment method. So this one, to tap on the add a payment, and then here under the payment method you have the PayPal option, so make sure to tap on this one and then tap on the next option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and then you will be directed to another tab where you have to log in your account. Okay, and then once you are done, then you just have to add a credit or debit card and then tap on the agree and continue. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.